This is day 166 of 2017 and you're watching Dhruv Bhutani from PhoneArena.com bringing you today's daily news. In today's headlines, we've got the next iPhone which will be both waterproof and will have wireless charging. The Moto C has a launch date in India. We have a launch date for the Moto Z2 and the Z2 Force, as well as some new figures for worldwide and India's mobile penetration. The iPhone is manufactured by Wistron in India, and the company has today sort of leaked to analysts that the next iPhone will be both waterproof and will also have wireless charging capabilities. Now this has been widely rumored and it is finally coming true, and I think it is high time given that the competition already has both of these features. After the launch of the Moto C, now it's the time for the Moto C Plus to see its launch in India. Motorola has sent out invites and the phone will be launching on 19th June. The phone is expected to have a 4000 mAh battery, a MediaTek processor, as well as a 5-inch HD display. After the launch of the Moto Z2 Play, it's the turn for the Moto Z2 as well as the Z2 Force. Now if you're not aware of this, the Z2 Force is expected to be the rugged and the more shatterproof variant of the regular Z2. In terms of specifications, they'll have the Snapdragon 835 processor as well as dual rear-facing cameras. The phone is expected to launch on June 27th and Lenovo has already sent out invites for this. GSMA today issued a fresh report that talks about the mobile penetration levels both in India as well across the world. Around the world, we're looking at a subscriber base of about 5 billion users, and it has taken close to 4 years for the last billion to get onto the mobile bandwagon. In India, there are about 730 million people who are using mobile phones, and this is quite close to the 1 billion plus population that we have. So it's definitely good to see that India's masses are getting online. Globally, about 55% of the mobile user base is based out of the Asia Pacific region, and a large majority is also based out of Europe. For today's deal, you can head on to Amazon for some amazing offers on both monitors and desktops. In particular, we've spotted a 31% discount on a Micromax display and a 5% discount on a very nice BenQ monitor. In today's point of discussion, Motorola has been betting big on the mod ecosystem. They've announced some new mods recently. They've also announced the second generation of devices like the Moto Z2 Play, as well as the upcoming Moto Z2 and the Z2 Force, all of which will support the first generation mods as well. But do you really see a need for this? Do you think you will buy one of these mods instead of buying a Bluetooth speaker, instead of getting a regular gamepad? Let us know in the comment section, what do you think about the mod ecosystem and where do you think modular phones are headed? We'd love to hear your feedback. This was Dhruv Bhutani from PhoneArena.com. Thanks for watching.